afternoon. Today is my first video with my parrot. So he's super cute and look at him, he's so pretty. He's staring at you. Oh my god, what are you looking at? I have this for cleaning his beak. He's super getting dirty. No, you're not gonna eat it. I'm gonna clean his beak. Okay, first of all, he loves getting hugs this way. Look at him, he's getting a hug from me. He's super cute. Look at him. He's falling over my hand. Okay, he wants me to pad him up like this. Okay, he's super cute. Just hold my hand, kitty. Hey. I mean parrot. He's holding my hand. I mean my finger.